A very warm welcome to you all. I'm Dia. On behalf of the Department of Media and Communication Studies, in collaboration with the Institution's Innovation Council, IIC and IQAC, I welcome you all to this special session on innovative ad formats breaking through the clutter. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce the institution's Innovation Council, IIC. The IIC at Jim Vasant Kunj was established on 21st November 2018. Since its inception under the directive of the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, it has been dedicated to fostering innovation, entrepreneurship, and creativity among students and faculty. Through hackathons, workshops, leadership talks, and entrepreneurship challenges, the Council has played a pivotal role. As an assistant professor with an impressive 9 years of experience, he has taught at some of India's most esteemed institutions, including the Delhi School of Journalism, University of Delhi, Makhanlal Chaturvedi University, and New Delhi YMCA. He holds a graduation degree from the University of Delhi, a Master's in Mass Communication from Guru Jagadeshwar University of Science and Technology, and Master's in Political Science from IGNOU. Notably, he qualified for the UGC NET in Mass Communication in 2017. Currently pursuing his PhD at Doon University, Dehradun, Mr. Verma's area of expertise and research include advertising, public relations, new media, communication, marketing, and media and society. We are truly honored to have him with us today to share his insights on innovative advertising strategies and how brands can stand out in today's crowded media landscape. Let's all give a big round of applause to welcome Sir.
But more than that, I'm the innovator ambassador of Ministry of Education, IIC. Now, today, as I can see, I'd like to hear from second evening students. What do you understand by ad? Ad क्या होता है? कोई भी, anything. What do you understand by ad?
बेसिकली इसमें प्रोडक्ट को लोगों के आगे दिखाना, जिससे लोगों को पता चले कि कुछ नया मार्केट में आया है, या किसी भी चीज़ को मार्केट करना इस एक सर्टेन लेवल तक, जिसके लिए एड्स यूज होते हैं, एंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट करना उस एक नए प्रोडक्ट की.
This is what your understanding of ad.
Yes.
Anybody else who wants to say something about ad? What is ad? कुछ any idea about ad? कुछ भी raw idea. But yes. What's your name, Buddha? Yes, Anjali.
सर किसी भी मतलब प्रोडक्ट का वो एडवर्टाइज करना ताकि पता चले हमें कि वो प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में लॉन्च हुआ है या इस प्रोडक्ट से ये बेनिफिट्स हैं.
Anybody else? Okay. So, what exactly the ad is? If you go to the road and ask the rickshaw वाले भैया कि विज्ञापन क्या होता है, or what is advertisement, they would tell you to promote anything, to promote product or service, or individual की भी तो ad आती है कि नहीं आती टीवी पे? आती है ना, तो वो ad होती है. तो जब रिक्शे वाले भैया कैन टेल यू द एडवर्टाइजमेंट, व्हाई यू आर स्टडीइंग दिस सब्जेक्ट? Because ad, what you understand is much more than that. So before starting this topic called innovative ad formats breaking through the clutter, I would like to tell you all what is ad, what is advertisement. So if you look at the advertisement thing, so there is a scholar, marketing guru called Philip Kotler. According to his definition of or his understanding of advertisement, he says advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of goods, services and ideas by an identified sponsor. So advertisement is any paid form. ये बोलो. What it means? It means ad is always paid. Nobody is there for you to advertise without money. And if somebody is doing it, somebody is saying or promoting a brand for free, sometimes happens, that is not ad. That is not advertisement. Then what it is? Fourth, if somebody is promoting somebody, if X is promoting Y without money, what it is? Yes, good Shruti. It's public relations. Public relations. Suna hai Isha? You heard about this word? Public relations Suna? Advertisement is paid form. We need to pay to newspaper, to TV channels, to the company who's having the boardings लगे होते हैं, billboards लगे होते हैं. So we need to pay. Even if I need to advertise on an auto rickshaw, then we need to pay that auto rickshaw wale bhaiya. Are you understanding the point? So advertising is any paid form. So keep this in mind. And what we advertise? And what we do in advertisement? Promotion of what? किसका promotion करते हैं? Yes, we promote goods, services, and ideas. Do you have this thing in mind? How we promote ideas? How we advertise ideas? An example of it? Yes.
So basically there is a perfume brand called Blur. So उनका एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट आइडिया था कि हम जो ट्रांसजेंडर वाले जो सोसाइटी है उन्होंने उसको अपने मेन कवर पेज पैकेजिंग पे उनके फोटोज पिक्चर्स को लगाया. जो पेंटिंग्स करते हैं किसी भी अगर हाईवेज वगैरह बन रहा है तो उसमें पेंटिंग्स जो होती हैं वो कई बार ट्रांसजेंडर करते हैं. तो उनकी प्रेजेंटेशंस लेके उन्होंने अपने ब्लर के उस पे लगाया जिससे ट्रांसजेंडर वाली जो कम्युनिटी थी उसका भी एक आइडिया हो गया. उनकी पैकेजिंग.
So what do you think? What do you think? What's the idea behind that?
कि हर कम्युनिटी के पास तक वो पहुंचे. मतलब एक तरीके से
Why transgender? Specify करो.
उनको इतना स्पेसिफिकली सोसाइटी में अप्रेस नहीं करा जाता है. उनको बहुत लोअर क्लास माना जाता है पर उसी को अगर पैकेजिंग पे लगा दिया.
Right. So this is how we advertise ideas. But I'm still seeking the answer. How we advertise ideas, purely ideas, not even a brand or company. Have you seen any advertisement? Have you seen any advertisement?
पॉलिसी बाजार का है.
Policy is selling services. Yes.
To campaign.
What's your name?
Kiran.
Kiran. Yes.
For example, the campaigns जैसे पोलियो का कैंपेन हुआ था.
Right.
तो दो बूंद जिंदगी.
Reach the masses. How would this reach the masses? I don't understand the point. So advertisement, may we do this kind of advertisement, product का, service का, and ideas का. Last में मैंने एक बात बोली थी, buy an identified sponsor. What it means? Buy an identified sponsor means in advertisement you are always there and you understand who is the sponsor behind this advertisement. Let's say if I would say Fena hi Nena. Who's the company behind that? Fena. पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें. घड़ी. So कभी ऐसा होता है you are very confused who's the company behind the advertisement. कभी ऐसा होता है? No. If I just click on it, the tick. So, you all are aware about that. So every advertisement will carry the sponsorship, the sponsor name, the company name. So if I would say there are some chances people hide the company name. So is it advertisement? No. That will come under PR, public relations. I can see the second semester students, you will understand and learn this subject, in the coming semesters, or public relations, advertisement, and corporate communication, etc. Alright, so you understood some basic definition of advertising. Understood?
Yes.
Advertising is any paid form. What we do, we advertise product, service, or idea, and identified sponsor are always there. So this is a basic understanding of advertising. So you all are on the same platform or same page. What it means? It means now you all are aware about advertisement. So I'll start with my topic today, which is innovative ad formats. Just give me a second. We have been witnessing advertisement since the childhood. बचपन से हम देखते आ रहे हैं ऐड. आज आप लोग जहां गर्दन करते हैं वहां पे आप ऐड देखते हैं. मानेंगे आप इस बात को? कोई नो कह सकता है? कह सकता है? तो आप सब मानते हैं इस बात में? कैसे? कोई बता सकता है? How you witness advertisement in every place in your life? Yes. Alright. So what it means? You travel, you are in traffic, you see advertisement behind the auto walas, on billboards, on buses, in metro, on taxis,
on poles.
poles, right? Okay, you are sitting idly at your home using phone. Ads, can you witness ad?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's say you are not using phone. Then TV, newspaper, magazine, books, ad. Even in toilets, public toilet, not your home, at your home. Yes. In your streets, you can find advertisement everywhere. So what it means? It means you face advertisement in abundance in a day. So here what we need to discuss today. A person witness advertisement in a way कि वो इतना ज़्यादा फैटीग हो जाता है, इतना ज़्यादा बोर हो जाता है ऐड देख के कि वो इरिटेट होने लगता है. Do you get irritated by seeing the advertisement a lot? Do you get irritated?
Yes, sir.
No, who's saying no? No, you don't. But if you were, you have 5 minutes, and I'm giving you a chance to see cell phone during the exam, right? And you're using the cell phone in the class. You're trying to open a website. You open the website, and then in that website, every answer is written. But before that, what is this? The pop-up advertisements. Have you seen pop-up advertisements?
Yes.
So sometimes you get irritated enough, you just close that website. Talking about OTT platforms. So OTT platforms is giving the chance to advertiser to advertise their product.
Cricket matches.
Yes. So let's talk about that today. So let's start with the evolution of advertising, how it started. It started way back with the advent of printing press. Printing press है दुनिया में. Who came up with printing press? Bush. He was the president of America. Johannes Gutenberg. Johannes Gutenberg was the person behind first printing press. After the advent of printing press, it all started. धीरे धीरे एडवर्टीजमेंट प्रिंट के माध्यम से बढ़ना शुरू हुआ. Then came radio advertising. Then came television. Then internet, desktop, computers. Then
social media,
smartphones. With the advent of smartphones, the social media gained the popularity. So this is the evolution of advertisement. Nowadays, everyone on social media platform. You cannot say you are not on social media platform. Everyone. Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, any one platform. So आप सब उसी platform पे हैं. So with this digital world, in this digital age, हम सब internet age में हैं. In this digital age, we have advertisers have the opportunity to get the customers by advertising their products on digital platforms. Right? I am sure about this thing that most of you spend your entertainment time mostly on digital platform rather than traditional media, TV and newspaper and magazine. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Here comes the chance for the advertisers to promote their or advertise their product. Which has something new to offer. कुछ नया है, कुछ नई चीज है, कोई नई टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, right? Now, here comes a question in our mindsets. Why traditional ads are losing effectiveness? ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? There is a need for innovative ad strategies rather than traditional ones. And why it's losing? Yes, Peter.
They lack interactiveness.
Okay. Interactivity.
We are
Point.
getting bored.
We are getting bored. And the three major points I would say here: ad blockers on the rise. On digital media platforms, they are using ad blockers. On TV sets, they skip. This is one of the pointers. Next is banner blindness. What is banner blindness? Have you seen banner advertisements on particular websites? कभी वेबसाइट पे if you enter, you see banner लगा होता है, साइड में लगा होता है. People are ignoring those banners. तुम्हें कितना याद रहता है? कोई वेबसाइट विजिट करते हो, कितनी याद रहती है? People are not interested in that. Then shorter attention span. Yeah, this is a case study. In the world right now, where we are creating reels, shorts, entertaining ourselves by seeing reels देख रहे हैं, shorts देख रहे हैं. The pleasure of watching vertical videos. So vertical video culture is rising. बढ़ रहा है? आप लोग अपना जब फोन ऐसे और ऐसे करने में तुम्हें तकलीफ होती है. Are you understanding the point? Nowadays, the users want to see videos like this one. The children wants to eat and doing this. Scrolling, YouTube shorts, everything. People are liking that. People don't want to turn their phone. तो ज़माना जा रहा है. अब ये है. Even nowadays, already platforms are providing you this platform to watch vertically. कौन सा platform है? आपको vertically provide करता है watch करने का. Yes. Hotstar. कहता है ना वो vertically matches देखें. Max view. Good. Vertical कहना है. Vertical देखो. Prime is looking. Vertically you can see. That's really good. So I was aware about only Hotstar. So I'm now getting the awareness about Prime Video now. What it means? It means people don't want to turn their phones. They want to see vertically. Because vertically के चक्कर में क्या हो रहा है? But we are losing. What we are losing right now?
Attention span.
Attention span. What it means? We are losing patience. धैर्य. हम पेशेंस हो रहे हैं, जैसे क्लास में देखो अभी मैं 5 मिनट भी छोड़ दूंगा पे आपको, मैं अपने फोन में लग जाऊँ या मैं अपनी स्लाइड पे करने लग जाऊँ, अभी देखना आप लोगों का अटेंशन स्पैन यहाँ चला जाएगा, 2 मिनट गायब, चिट चैट करने लगोगे, फोन निकाल के फिर चेक करोगे मैसेज तो नहीं आया, कोई नोटिफिकेशन तो नहीं आई, कोई फोन भला देखा लगा, क्यों? Attention span, we are losing the patience. We all are the part of it. I'm not saying you. You all are the part of it. We are losing the patience. Do we have patience to stand or sit still in the class? नहीं. किसी गर्दन नीचे हो जाती है 2 मिनट में, किसी गर्दन ऊपर हो जाती है, कोई कैसे, किसी को नींद आ रही है. We are losing the patience. And who is the main force behind this? Technology. On the one hand, technology is helping us. With the second hand, with the other hand, it is destroying us. It is making us dumb. The technology is making us dumb. Don't you think so? तुम अपने मामा, चाचा, ताऊ के नंबर सुनाओ मुझे बिना फोन में देखे. सुनाओ. नहीं सुना पाओगे ना, मैं भी नहीं सुना पाऊंगा. Earlier, people used to yes and keep this in their mind. They have याद थे, सबको याद होता थे. And nowadays, we are making ourselves dumb. एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है, चैट जीपीटी. असाइनमेंट बनाना है, चैट जीपीटी. We are not helping us. We are destroying us with the help of technology. कभी सोचे हैं? We are destroying us with the help of technology. बच्चों, हम थोड़ा सा भी तकलीफ में, is a clutter of advertisements. इतने सारे clutter में, how can you recognize there is a brand called Fevicol, Mamaearth, Wow, Lux? How? How advertisers mark their presence in the market? Through innovation. Through innovative strategies. Through innovative ads. Yes, new ads, new ideas. वो कह रहे हैं बसंत कुंज में आ गया बिस्ट्रो, आप 10 मिनट में कुछ ना कुछ कैफे से मंगा सकते हैं उनके. Are you understanding my point? किसी को लेना देना नहीं. ये तो प्रॉब्लम है क्लटर की वजह से हो रहा है. तो इतनी ऐड देख रहे हैं, अगर मैं तुम्हें कहूंगा तुम्हें दिन में सिर्फ 2 ऐड दिखाऊंगा तो शायद तुम देखो. अगर मैं तुम्हें 1000 ऐड दिखाऊंगा तुम कुछ भी याद नहीं रखने वाले. Are you getting my point? It's a problem. So far we discussed about the problem. So now, why we need to address ad clutter? हमें क्यों एड्रेस करना है इस प्रॉब्लम को? So that it improves ad effectiveness. एडवर्टीजमेंट इफेक्टिव तो हो, लोगों तक पहुंचे तो सही, इसीलिए we need to address this. Enhance viewers experience. लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ाएं. इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हो कि क्लास में बच्चा बैठा सब अपना फोन से निकल के यहां पे नजर आए अटेंशन, पर वो नजर नहीं आती. Some people are still using phone right now. उनकी जो फ्लैश लाइट, उनकी जो ब्राइटनेस इतनी है कि मुंह पे पड़ रही है ऐसा, I can see clearly. It calls losing attention in the class. Drives innovation. अगर हम क्लटर को एड्रेस करते हैं तो we can come up with that innovation. Right. The solution. Here comes the solution. Right now, in the world, when the world was witnessing, or the world of ad industry, this industry was witnessing ad blockers, ad fatigue, irritation, Then they came up with a new innovative style of advertisement called innovative native advertising. क्या होता है ये कुछ ये होता है. जिसको यहां का समझ आ जाए बहुत बढ़िया, इसको नहीं समझ आता, here we have the content as well. What is native advertisement? I'll start with this. Native advertisement is a marketing format that effectively integrate a branded content into the natural context. इसको आप पढ़ ले, मैं आपको नॉर्मल भाषा में समझा देता हूँ. Native advertisement is when the advertisement wears the cloth of the native website or take the form and function of the website. It's a smart watch. क्या बोले? फ्लिपकार्ट. चलिए. Here we have the Flipkart. देखा आप लोगों ने? देखा आप लोगों ने? कहीं ऐड नजर आई? Second semester students, have you witnessed any advertisement here?
No, sir.
But there are 4 at least I saw advertisements.
ये फ्लिपकार्ट का शॉर्ट.
No.
Sponsored वाली.
See, this is advertisement, sponsored. This is advertisement. This is advertisement. This is. पता चला?
Yes, sir.
So what normally people do? अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी लग रही बोल्ड. Let me click on it. कर दिया. Same. So this kind of advertisement, same function, same form, everything is same. When I asked you, then you somewhere trying to figure out, and you notice that. Otherwise, this is advertisement. Flipkart is getting money. You're clicking it, you're watching it, you're witnessing it. अगर normally मैं यहाँ पे ad देता, तुम कभी click नहीं करते. Right or wrong? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Loudly.
Yes, sir.
This is called native advertisement. This is one of kind of format. Formats पढ़ाना है ना मैंने आज आपको. This is one of the kinds of format. This is called e-commerce. This is called e-commerce. Students, you must have seen this advertisement. Oh, sorry. This website. Okay. देखते जाएं. ये आ गया है. देखते जाएं. This is Instagram again. This is Facebook. This is LinkedIn. Advertisement, 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 advertisement. But तुम्हें वो बहुत कम पता चलता है. You just scroll it and sometimes वो click भी हो जाता है. Native ad. पूरा shape ले लिया उसका.
और कई बार पिक्चर्स इतने अच्छे होते हैं कि वो अप्लाई ना मतलब
करना पड़ता है. कई बार ये अगर शॉर्ट मुझे अच्छी लग रही है मैंने क्लिक कर दिया. Are you getting my point? नेक्स्ट, ये सारे मेरे फोन के वो थे स्क्रीनशॉट्स. ये सारे मेरे फोन के स्क्रीनशॉट्स हैं. Note this. Now, in feed content, Spotify, on any website, on any app, not website, sorry, on any app, you open any app, you find advertisement go within that content. यहाँ से मिल जाएगा, स्पॉन्सर लिखा हुआ बीच में, कहीं मिल जाएगा, कहीं मिल जाएगा. बीच में हल्का सा छोटा सा लिखा होता है ना, स्पॉन्सर्ड, रेकमेंडेड, पावर्ड, ये लिखा होता है ना, वो ऐड है. Next we have here is in-feed commerce. I just gave you the example. This is Myntra. तो यहाँ पे ये और ये स्पॉन्सर्ड थे. This is Flipkart. यहाँ पे इनमें से एक कोई स्पॉन्सर्ड था. This is Amazon. ये दोनों स्पॉन्सर्ड है. आपकी ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट में जब आप विजिट करते हैं, फोन में जब चलाते हैं, उसमें भी ऐड आती है, आपको पता ही नहीं चलता. Ad. So what it means? Advertisers are getting success by showing you the ads like this. You are clicking it. You are purchasing it. Good. And the platforms are getting money. Good. Are you understanding the point? Now, this is again from my cell phone. वो भी मेरे सेल फोन से ई-कॉमर्स वाला भी. This is InMap. InMap, yes. आप कुछ मैप पे सर्च करें तो आ जाता है, ऐसे लिखा हुआ, ऐसे आ जाता है. उसमें सारे नहीं होंगे, उसमें से कुछ होंगे जिसमें स्पॉन्सर्ड लिखा होगा. यहाँ ये लिखा हुआ है स्पॉन्सर्ड. आप मैप में भी जाएंगे ना, मैप में भी आपको नहीं छोड़ेंगे नेटिव ऐड वाले, घुस जाएंगे तो मैं लगेगा यार ये वाला स्टोर ज्यादा बढ़िया है. मैंने सर्च किया था, यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा, मैंने लिखा था वॉच रिपेयर शॉप, तो उसमें जिसने स्पॉन्सर कर रखा था वो आ गया पहले, तो मैंने कहा तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, इस पे चले जाते हैं वॉच रिपेयर कराने. सो व्हाट इट मींस, दिस इज हाउ द बिजनेसेस आर गोइंग ऑन इन द सोसाइटी. समझ आ रहा है? ऑलराइट. ये these are the formats of mobile native advertising. Innovative है ना, इनोवेटिव तरीके. अब गेम बहुत खेलते हैं आप लोग, गेम्स में ऐड आती है बीचों बीच, उसी गेम का पार्ट होती है वो ऐड. जैसे आप कोई गेम खेलते हैं ऐसे गोलियों वाली, क्या कहते हैं उसको, अरे वो बहुत फेमस गेम है PUBG. Have you ever witnessed when there was that person is roaming around, तो कभी-कभी वो रोड पे उसके कहीं बैनर लगा होता है उस ब्रांड का, कोका कोला ये वो से लिखा होता है, that is in game native mobile advertising. कभी विटनेस करना, PUBG नहीं हुआ कोई और गेम देखना, because I have seen one like this. मैं खेलता नहीं हूँ गेम्स, but I know. All right. Paid search. Have you ever noticed when you are searching something, इसी में सब कुछ आ जाता है, ऐड भी आ जाती है. ऐसे करके छोटा लिखा होता है ऐड, AD. देखो फॉर्म सेम है ना, सर्च इज सेम है, सब कुछ सेम है, हर तरह लिखा हुआ है नेटिव ऐड. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? नेटिव ऐड क्या है? वो फॉर्म ले लेता है उस जगह का. It takes form, it takes functionality and became native advertisement. They submerge into the content. Are you understanding my point? All right. Future क्या होने वाला है? Future बहुत bright है. The future is bright for native advertising. Why? The second point underline thing. I think this is the answer of this point, the future of native advertising. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Everyone is dependent on this. घूमने जाना है, this. खाना खाना है, this. Shopping करना है, this. We are totally dependent on this. Chats करनी है, this. Entertainment करना है, this. Relationship build करनी है, this. Date पे जाना है, this. Everyone is dependent on this, and this is making you dumb, and you're losing the phone in the class. This. So with this saying, I would say thank you so much, and I hope today you understood advertisement, the clutter of advertisement, how innovation can change the landscape of advertisement, the marketing, and how innovation, with the innovative strategies, you can win the market and win the customers in the society, in the market. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vineet sir, for such an engaging and thought-provoking session. Your insights have given us fresh perspectives on advertising, creativity, and innovation. I would also like to thank the Department of Media and Communication Studies, the institution's Innovation Council, IQAC, all our faculty members, the organizing team, and of course our wonderful audience for making this event a success. Thank you once again.